Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. If you've seen the title of the video, you already know we're putting on an exhaust today. Gee, it's kind of having like a Christmas tree. All right, we got the new exhaust for the Civic right here, and we got my neglected 240 here. I promise I actually have something in the works for it. It's just been a while since I recorded anything for it. All right, we are back at my friend Santi's house to do the exhaust install. What's going on, bro? We got the exhaust laid out, getting ready to put this onto the car. We have the car put on ramps right now. We're gonna put this on stands pretty soon. What I really like about this exhaust actually is that you'll start to see the little Greddy engraving or a little imprint into all parts of the exhaust flanges. I bought this exhaust used. Originally, I wasn't even gonna buy this exhaust, but it was just too good of a price for me not to pick up. So we're gonna grab some aluminum polish and some 4.0 steel wool, and we'll see how well this cleans up. So the only two things we're gonna be using to clean up the exhaust is I went to Lowe's and picked up some steel wool. This is gonna be the 4.0 finest. This isn't gonna scratch your exhaust pieces at all. And we're just gonna combine it with some Mother's aluminum polish to clean up the exhaust mufflers. Alright guys, as you can see, we took a little bit of the steel wool and the polish and put in a little bit of elbow grease into trying to get this cleaned up, and this looks very immaculate for just the little amount of work we did. We're going to finish cleaning the rest of this off camera, and then after that we're going to get ready so we can actually do the installation of the exhaust. Alright, and for the most part we got most of the exhaust all cleaned and polished up. There wasn't really much we could do for the part that connects to the cap back, but we got most of it done, and so that's all I really care about.
Nice. Ouch, not again. You get the shit on me, I'm gonna cry, dude. There we go. Easy.
Slide me out with it.
I got it.
And as always, you always want to put new exhaust gaskets on whenever you're putting on a new exhaust. We just finished putting the exhaust on and we got it all cleaned up. I think the tips look really good, so we're gonna give it a little start to see what it sounds like. Yeah, sounds pretty good. Nothing crazy, a little bit louder than stock.
But yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna end the video off here. I really like how the exhaust sounds. You guys should let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But I will see you guys in the next video.